Sam Ireland, Remax River City here, Green Energy Certified Realtor, bringing you all things Blatchford, where we have a geothermal community. Our newest listing coming to market here. We have all the community shopping within walking distance. You've got Superstore, the mall, Canadian Tire, Nate Blatchford Market, Nate LRT Station. Everything is here. You got to check it out. Are you ready off leash dog park, Finn? Let's go! A block away from the community gardens in Tomato Park, we have an end unit, 3-story with a rooftop patio and double garage coming to market. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, move-in ready, and on the geothermal system. Check it out.